Saluton mia kramiko, kiel fartas, saluton el justa mundo mia kramiko. Mi estas turismo kaj povas tradukisto, viro en mia urbo Aceho, kiel la monta Eksterlando, fino en mia urbo Nederlando, la urbo Aceho, la ĉefurbo de Aceho. Mi povas portas la monta Eksterlando en mia urbo Aceho. Nun mi volas praktiki kiel mi pasporas la angla lingvo. Bonvolu, fidi min lingvo. Hello, how are you today?
What's up, man? Doing great.
Alright, very awesome. So, what's your name for
Ryan.
When, alright, when, so what do you think about the camp to my country, Indonesia?
It's great. It's wonderful, yeah. So I'm staying here for 5 months, learning bahasa Indonesia, and I'm learning some dancing here. We saw some dance today at a wedding. We saw Reno Perempuan. We saw Tari Saman as well. It's just great. It's wonderful.
Alright, so what do you think about the Chinese people? You know, is it very easygoing or friendly or anything about
Very
that?
friendly, very accepting of everyone.
Yeah. So after you learn about culture and dance, Saman dance, you learn that dance.
I'm going to learn that tonight, actually. So I'm going to go over to a local sangar at UIN, University of Saraniri, and hopefully going to learn some Tari Sama tonight.
That would be awesome, I think, right? Thank you for that.
Christian knows more than I do.
It's living hard. Like, a couple months ago or a couple of years ago, I started learning that, but it's too hard. But my teacher, Azizi, can learn that, right? I can teach me.
Yeah, Azizi knows a lot.
This is very awesome.
He's the one filming right now.
That's because that's my big part. Alright, man, thank you for
you so
welcome. Sometimes I want to invite you to join with, Happy Training Club.
Of course.
We invite you, and then you, Christian, and then you want. How do you think you are speaking English? Tentang to practicar hablas español. Ya, porque me gusta aprender mucho.
Claro, y yo necesito practicar mi bahasa Indonesia también.
Muchas gracias, señor. Muchas gracias, Christian. Dan con por video por mi agrego, me porque sos suscribos kay chatas niya con alon. Dan con mi agrego, diskar video.